Now we move to the second segment of the actual problems related to day-to-day life in connection with the probability, that is theory of probability, containing the categories as discrete random variable and continuous random variable. So as we are all aware that the terminologies associated with the discrete random variable is probability function or distribution function. Then we secondly discuss about the continuous random variable, and we have the probability density function and distribution function related to that. So some of the examples you may find it in the books related to the continuous random variable or discrete random variable. So we need to first identify whether example fits into which category, and then we will be calculating the suitable quantities which they have asked us. So one of such example which is related to the real world life situation is the amount of bread in hundreds of pounds in a certain bakery is able to sell in a day is a numerical phenomena capital X with probability density function. Clear? So here in this case they are trying to tell us or so in this particular question, they have asked us that we have a probability density function. How is that amount or a value related to this particular amount or value is related to a phenomena denoted by capital F of X, capital X. And what is this capital X? This capital X is particularly the random variable. And how it is defined as? It is defined with a probability density function small f of x, and how it is how it is differentiated or distinguished between, for the range 0 to 5 it is a into x, for the range 5 to 10 it is a into 10 minus x, and 0 otherwise. This is how they have mentioned the density function. Now can you identify what kind of a random variable this is? Can anybody identify what kind of random variable it is?
Continuous.
It is a continuous random variable. Why? Why? Why it is a
वो
continuous random variable?
इंटरवल्स में दिया इसीलिए.
Yeah, that is what the point I have told you for identification कि जब interval और splitted form में दिया रहेगा तो maximum it will be a continuous random variable. Secondly, here x is defined as probability density function. In case of continuous random variable अपन क्या बोलते हैं? We say that small f of x is nothing but the density function which is connected with the continuous random variable. Now in between the range 0 to 5, how many numbers are there? There are infinite number of points which are available, which are uncountable, and therefore I can say that yes, this is the example related to the continuous random variable. So what they have asked us, find the value of a which makes f of x a probability density function. Obviously f of x should be greater than equal to 0, a should also be greater than equal to 0, and what is the probability of the amount of bread that will be sold tomorrow between 250 to 750 pounds. ये hundreds of pounds में calculation चालू है. So 250 to 750 will be divided by 100. So what it is giving you? 2.5 to 7.5. So 2.5 can be considered as 5.2, 7.5 can be considered as 15 by 2, यानी 7 by 2 होता है. So accordingly we will be calculating the values. What is this f of x? This f of x is nothing but defined as this. तो पहला काम जो मुझे करना है to calculate the value of a. I know that integral from minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. How is this f of x? This f of x is defined as ax for the range 0 to 5. So minus infinity to 0, will the function exist? Before this, the function does not exist. Its value is 0. So this minus infinity to infinity will be splitted as 0 to 5, and the value of function will be ax. 5 to 10, the value of function will be a into 10 minus x, and otherwise all other values for this particular function are 0, and this is to be equated with a. Now what is integral for x? Integral for x is x square by 2. X square by 2 will be substituted between the limit 0 to 5. A into 10 minus x. So 10 into x minus x square by 2. The integral will be substituted as 5 to 10, and which is equated with 1. After solving and getting down the answer, we get the value for a as 1 upon 25. So the integral limit of the integral, the value for the integral will be the value for constant a, which is defined from the integral or derived from the integral, is a is equal to 1 upon 25. So accordingly, we will be simplifying and calculating the values. I hope this integration is clear. Integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of 10 minus x is 10 into x minus x square by 2. We put the limit as 5 to 10 and equate it with 1. We get the answer as a is equal to 1 upon 25. Now, these are the amount of breads which is calculated in hundreds of pounds, right? So you have been asked to find out the value between 250 to 750 pounds. But whatever density function is defined, that is calculation for hundreds. So 250 divided by 100 will be 2.5. 750 divided by 100 will be 7.5. As we also know that probability value will never exceed 1. So it will be very huge or large quantity if you go with the 250 and 750. So read the question carefully. So 2.5 is nothing but 5 by 2. 7.5 is nothing but 15 by 2. So ultimately उन्होंने क्या पूछा है? They are asking us to find out the value for this particular range. Now 7.5 is less than 10 but greater than 5. So for that particular range, the function will be a into 10 minus x, and for 2.5 up to 5, the function will be ax. So how I have splitted this 2.5 to 7.5? 5 by 2 to 5, the function is ax. 5 to 15 by 2, the function is a into 10 minus x. Also, I have calculated the value of a, which is 1 upon 25. So I will be substituting the value of a. I will be integrating the x, that is x square by 2. I will be integrating 10 minus x, which is 10x minus x square by 2, putting the values of the limit, and we get the answer as 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is surely less than 1. Whenever the denominator is greater than the numerator, the value is less than 1. And our value of the probability always is in the range 0 to 1. So therefore, what answer we have obtained is correct, provided the calculations are right. So probability between 250 to 750 is given by 3 by 4. Is this question clear? How we will be calculating from the given data the value of the constant and the expected probability what they have asked us, right? So this was one of the example which is related to the sale in the bakery, amount of bread what is prepared daily. The second example is the mileage in thousands of miles which a car owner gets with a certain kind of tires is a random variable having probability density function. This is the example related to the tires of the cars and the mileage what a car owner or a driver gets for the thousands of miles. And how is that probability density function defined by? That probability density function is defined by f of x is equal to 1 upon 20 e to the power minus x by 20 for x greater than equal to 0 and 0 for x less than 0. Now what they are asking us to find, here there is no such constant value to be calculated. Directly we have been asked to find out the probabilities, right? Find the probability that one of these tires will last at most 10,000 miles, anywhere from 16,000 to 24,000 miles, and at least 30,000 miles. In this question, will you be dealing with this thousand of numbers, 10,000, 16,000, or how you will be trying to convert those numbers? Can anybody tell me? The
सर
calculation is
1000 से डिवाइड
yes,
करेंगे.
yes, thousand se divide, because the function is defined for thousands of miles. So whatever values are asked to us to calculate, those are related or those are given in thousands, and I won't be calculating it in thousand because already the function cannot exceed one. Thousands में values है ना, function का value तो exceed कर देगा one. But we have to be very careful while assuming the values. Now, while learning certain concepts about the probability, you must have come across with the words at least and at most. What do you mean by at most? At most का actual meaning क्या होता है? At the most,
Maximum.
maximum. So the highest limit what it can achieve is the value which is given with at most. And what is the meaning of at least?
Minimum.
Minimum. That means minimum value will be this. Do we know the upper bound of that? No. In the at the most, we know the upper bound is 10,000 miles. But lower bound uska kya rahega? The extreme end on the real number line. The extreme end on the real number line is minus infinity. So accordingly, we will be checking whether our function exists for that particular quantity or not, and then we can define. How is this function defined? This function is defined for greater than equal to 0. Means this is existing only for positive numbers greater than 0 or equal to 0. For less than 0, the value does not exist, right? Abhi greater than equal to 0 till where? I don't know. Till infinity, I will consider the highest bound as. Now, for what values I have to calculate the probability? This is the probability density function f of x, and p will be probability for this capital X will nothing but be the probability which is obtained from the given density function. So at most 10,000 miles के लिए probability for at most 10,000 miles means it will be going less than 10. At most means highest limit of it is 10,000 miles. But as the function is for per 1,000 miles, I will be getting the answer as 10. But what will be the lower bound here? As the function is defined only for greater than 0, the lower bound will be 0. So ultimately, when I am asked to find the probability for at most 10,000 miles, the probability is calculated for 0 less than x less than 10. It will not go beyond 10 and it will start from minimum 0. Now, you know how to calculate the probability. It is ultimately integral 0 to 10 f of x dx. How is the function defined for 0 to 10 which is greater than 0? It is 1 upon 20 e to the power minus x by 20. What is integration of e to the power x? What is integration of e to the power x? E to the power x. What is integration of e to the power x by 2?
E to the power x by 2 upon 1 by 2.
Yes, it will be e to the power x by 2 upon constant term. So what is the constant over here? Minus 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 as it is. Integration for e to the power minus x by 20 is e to the power minus x by 20 upon minus 1 by 20. So I think this 20 will get cancelled and minus 1 multiplied by put the upper limit and put the lower limit. E to the power 0 is always 1. And calculate the value of exponential term, you get the answer as 0.3935, which is always less than 1. हमेशा मुझे देखते रहना है कि whether our probability is coming out less than or equal to 1 or not. In that case only our answer is correct. Otherwise somewhere we have committed the mistake, right? Secondly, probability between 16,000 to 24,000 miles. So the function is defined for per 1,000 miles. So ultimately the integration will be done over here between what values? Between 16 to 24. So probability over here is probability for 16 less than x less than 24. Integrate the function. Integration 16 to 24 f of x dx. But how is this f of x defined? F of x is defined as 1 by 20 e to the power minus x by 20 dx. So it is 1 by 20 into integration of this exponential term remains the same. Only the change is you need to put the upper limit and the lower limit. This value will be 0.1481. At least 30,000 miles. What do you mean by at least? The minimum value is 30. What is the upper bound? Upper bound is not known. Upper bound will be infinity. Now you may worry that e to the power infinity to infinity hota hai, but here there is negative index. And what is value for e to the power minus infinity? E to the power minus infinity is 0. E to the power infinity will give you the infinite value or cannot be determined as the answer. But jab negative index rahega, we need not have to worry about it or think about it for the limit as infinity, because e to the power minus infinity is 0. So probability for at least 30,000 miles will be minimum value 30 aega per 1000 miles ka, but upper limit is infinity. So we have to ultimately integrate the given probability density function between the limit 30 to infinity. So again, integration of e to the power minus x by 20, e to the power minus x by 20 upon minus 1 by 20. Put the upper limit as infinity, lower limit as 30. You get the answer which is still less than 1. So probability for at least 30,000 miles, we get it as 0.2231. Kindly do the calculation and verify whether these values are coming out correct or not. E is the exponential term whose value can be directly taken in the calculator. If I am not wrong, there is a separate button for E which they can consider, which the calculator considers the value directly. Roughly, if you see the value for exponential term, E is 2.43 something, right? But
2.71.
2.71, sorry, 2.71. So directly you can take the value of E in the calculator and do the calculation. So approximately your answers will come out as this only. In every case, we need to see that whether our answer is less than or equal to 1 or not. I hope this example is clear to everybody. Depending on the nature of the question, how you will be defining. So these two examples were related to the real life examples or day-to-day life examples wherein we can find the existence of the probability for getting the judgment or for getting the conclusion related to certain quantities. In a broader aspect, if you see, probability or a probability distribution or a theory of random variable has a wide application in environmental engineering, control engineering, signals processing, economics. The major important aspect is in trading, taking the or expecting or upgrading the fluctuations in the trade market or the share market. That is the major application is in the economics. Then gambling, those who are playing the game of gambling, the major application of probability, because it is all on the basis of the assumptions and the predictions, and what that actually the probability helps to take into account the expected results. So various risk factors are also taken into account while discussing or applying the theory of probability. So various major aspects are there in which we can go with the probability, a very vast topic and has the varied applications, right? So this was one of the examples related to the probability, wherein we had the calculation to be done for the bakery product, as well as certain tire mileage can be calculated roughly, that for so many kilometers the car can run with the same type of the tires, right? The second example, what we have is a continuous random variable having density function defined as f of x is equal to x by 2. The value is lying for the range 0 less than x less than 2, and value is 0 for x greater than 2. So we have to find out the several probabilities. We have to find out the probability between -1 less than x less than 2. We have to find out the probability for x less than equal to half. We have to find out the probability for x greater than equal to half, and also we have to find out the distribution function. I hope everybody now is aware of that from the density function how we can calculate the distribution function, and as well as from the distribution function how we can calculate the density function, right? So probability for the range -1 less than x less than 2. In general, I know that integral from minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is nothing but the probability which is given, and whose value, highest value, it can take it as 1. But our function is defined for 0 to 2. आपको कहां से कहां तक पूछा है? The range -1 to 2. So -1 to 0 will the function exist? For the negative range, our starting limit is, or lower bound for the function to exist is 0. So -1 to 0, the function will be taken in a different range, and 0 to 2, the other range will be taken. But for -1 to 0, the function does not exist. Therefore, the value is 0. And for the range 0 to 2, the function is taken as x by 2. 1 by 2 constant taken outside. What is integration for x by 2? The integration for x is x square by 2, and just putting down the limits 1 by 2 outside, integration between 0 to 2 x dx, 1 by 2 as it is, integration of x is x square by 2, put the limits as 0 to 2, you get the answer as 1 by 4 multiplied by 4 minus 0, and that answer comes out to be 1. So for this particular range -1 to 2, what is the value of the probability coming out as 1. Now abhi aap bologe ki sir, how you have taken over here? We have learnt that if probability is to be calculated for a less than x less than b, it is ultimately to be integrated between the limits a to b. So ultimately when this kind of probability is asked, I will be integrating it between the limit -1 to 2. And how that interval -1 to 2 is splitted? The interval -1 to 2 is splitted as -1 to 0 and 0 to 2, because the range of our function which is existing is between 0 to 2. So -1 to 0, the function will not exist. It will exist only for 0 to 2, and beyond 2, that means x greater than 2, the function again does not exist. So this is how the first value we calculate. Now tell me probability x less than equal to half. How you will be calculating? Probability x less than equal to half means it is up to half. But what is the lower bound of it? Lower bound of it is minus infinity. But do we have the function existing for that? No. Our function starts from 0. So ultimately, what will be the lower bound for x less than equal to half? The lower bound of the integration will be 0 to half. So ultimately, probability x less than equal to half is now reduced to probability 0 less than x less than equal to half. So we will be finally integrating it between the limit 0 to half f of x dx, and 0 to half lies between 0 to 2, for which the function is defined. And how is that function defined? Function is defined as x by 2. Again 1 by 2 outside, integration of x is x square by 2, put the limit as 0 to half. Upper limit is 1 by 2, lower limit is 0. उसका आंसर कितना आता है? 1 by 16. So final answer for the probability x less than equal to half comes out to be 1 by 16. Denominator is greater than numerator. The value is surely going to be less than 1. Now tell me how is this to be calculated? Probability x greater than equal to half. Greater than equal to half यानी half से आगे. हाफ से आगे कहां तक जा सकता है?
Infinite तक.
Infinity. But is our function defined till that particular range? No, it is defined up to which range?
2.
Upper bound is 2. यानी how it will be go ultimately? It will be defined for half to 2. So this is probability half less than equal to x. यानी x greater than equal to half but less than 2. This is how the probability will be defined for this. Half less than x means x is greater than half, right? So probability for x greater than equal to half means half to 2 f of x dx. How is the range? What is the function defined for this particular range? The function is defined as x by 2. So function is defined as x by 2 means 1 by 2 as it is. X का integration आता है x square by 2 and limits will be substituted as half to 2. Half to 2 का value put करोगे तो 2 square is 4, half का square आता है 1 by 4. Simplify it, you get the answer as 15 by 4. So final answer comes out to be 15 by 16. So for this particular range, P x greater than equal to half, the value of probability comes out to be 15 by 16. तो मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पर, x greater than equal to half means it is greater than half but less than 2. So this is the integration to be done between half to 2 for x by 2 as a given function. Clear? So this particular answer is also less than 1. 15 by 16 में denominator is greater than the numerator and therefore we get the value as less than 1. Now how you calculate the distribution function? Distribution function is nothing but the notation used is capital F of x. Now for capital F of x, what was the formula? Derivative of small f of x is nothing but your capital F of x, right? So capital F of x ka derivative is small f of x, right? So that is what the distribution function what we are using. Derivative of capital F of x, that is distribution function, is nothing but the density function. But here I have to calculate the distribution function what they have asked from the given density function. So simple. What is the formula for calculating the distribution function? The formula for calculating the distribution function is minus infinity to x f of v dv. Right? This is what we have done prior to this in the calculation. So what is the starting range of here? 0 to 2. It is from 0 to x. And what is f of v dv? It is v by 2 dv. And what is the integration of x? V. Integration of v is v square by 2. Abhi v में लिखो या x में लिखो, ultimately your answer is going to be in the form of x. So what is the distribution function over here? 1 by 2 outside, integral 0 to x, v square by 2. And what is this giving you? V square by 4. And upper limit as x. So it will be giving you x square by 4 minus 0. So this answer is surely x square by 4. So how you write down the distribution function? Before this, we have seen the pattern of writing down the distribution function. For the starting range value, up to that starting range value, the value is 0. For the given range, the value comes out to be in the form of x, that is x square by 4. And beyond that highest limit or beyond the upper limit, the value will always sum up to 1. So that is how we will be calculating the or writing down the distribution function. I hope the examples related to the distribution function are already done. For the given density function as f of x, we know the starting range is 0 to 2. So up to 0, the value will be 0. For the range, the answer comes out in the form of x. And for the range beyond this, the answer always comes out to be 1. This is how the calculation for the distribution function goes. तो either आप यहाँ पर f of v dv लिखो या f of x dx लिखो, the answer is still going to be same. So in this case, how we write down the distribution function? The distribution function is written as 0 for x less than 0, x square by 4 for the range 0 less than x less than 2, and for the range x greater than 0, greater than 2, the value of the distribution function is going to be equal to 1. So this is how we calculate the distribution function for